Welcome back to Explore Travel TV. My name is David L. Peters, and today we're going to explore the Orleans Hotel and Casino. It is just a couple miles from the Strip, so it's not too far, and it is a part of the Boyd Casino Gaming Company. We're going to come in and take a quick look around the Orleans Casino. The Orleans proudly offers 1,886 beautifully appointed rooms and suites featuring the ultimate in luxury and comfort. The fitness center provides a full spectrum of workout equipment, including free weights, benches, stationary bikes, and state-of-the-art exercise machines. The Orleans Splash Pool is surrounded by palm trees and beautiful tropical gardens. The pool area offers guests a main swimming pool, a small kiddie pool, and a whirlpool to relax and unwind in. Enjoy the tastes and flavors of the Big Easy at the Orleans. They offer a wide variety of one-of-a-kind restaurants, from fine dining to quick and easy options. They offer something for every appetite at the Orleans. Of course, there are plenty of bars throughout the casino to quench your thirst. They offer a variety of entertainment venues, all hosting a variety of events throughout the year. See the latest releases at the 18-screen Century Theater. They even have a 70-lane bowling center, which I did not get a chance to bowl at this time. They have a bowling pro shop inside, a lounge to get your cocktails, and even a snack bar in case you get hungry. For those who like to be pampered, the Orleans Hotel and Casino offers Spa Orleans and the Orleans Beauty Salon. They have a 60,000 square foot convention, banquet, and meeting complex. One of the reasons why I'm here at Orleans is my mom's cousin Les is giving a speech about my great-grandfather, the Great Leon, who was a magician back in the vaudeville days. And there's a magic collector's type convention here, and so that's why I'm here. But that's a whole nother story for a whole nother video, not really part of the travel or Vegas stuff, but just something interesting to let you know that we're here for the Magic Collectors Convention. And again, my mom's cousin giving a speech about my great-grandfather. I'm 4 generations of magicians here, so maybe I'll do magic someday. Anyways, let's keep going on the tour. Of course, you can't forget the casino. Try your luck at one of their 2,600 slot video poker and video keno machines, or enjoy your favorite table games including blackjack, craps, roulette, and much more. You'll find the fast action in the race and sports book, 35 table poker room, and a 24-hour 60-seat keno lounge. And while you're there, be sure to join the Be Connected, Boyd's Gaming Nationwide Player Loyalty Program, and earn benefits and rewards for your play. Well, there you go. That was just a quick little tour of the Orleans Casino and Hotel. Again, it's only off the Strip, a couple of miles down the way. You can stay here, whatever you like. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified when I upload more videos. If you like the hotel, casino kind of stuff, Las Vegas, and travel tips and tricks and all that good stuff. So remember, life is short, so live it and travel more when we can. Oh yeah, don't forget my Las Vegas mask. We're still have to wear masks. Well, we have to now again wear masks in the casinos here in Las Vegas as of right now. Anyways, thanks again. We'll see you guys next time.